Hi everyone, this is Felisa here with Homebody, and I am officially kicking off my great fall series for 2020 fall season. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey love, so let me just tell you briefly where the items came from that's on the coffee table. Now the coffee table itself came from Rooms to Go. It was a set. The coffee table and the end tables was, I think it was like $4.99 a couple, maybe last year. I bought this last year. The objects here, these are candle holders. I don't know. I'm just going to say candle holders. They came from Zgallerie. Actually, everything on the table came from Zgallerie except for the Hello Fall candle. Actually came from Home Goods last year. I love those candles. I can't wait to find me some more for this year. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys were inspired on how to decorate a coffee table for the fall. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.